All right. Seller agrees to pay $597 prior to listing launch. If the buyer defaults, we get 50% of the earnest money. And anything that we negotiate above the selling price, we get a performance incentive. We split it 50-50. Some people will talk you into 70-30. Some people will talk you into 0. But if you don't ask, you won't get anything. You'll get whatever is out there. Listing broker to receive 50% of any buyer premiums. What's a buyer premium? You got 2 buyers willing to pay the exact same price. You go back to the buyer and say, hey, listen, you're the same exact price as the other offer. My seller's accepting a non-refundable buyer premium. If you'll do $1,500, $2,000 above that, just put it in the contract that you'll pay a 50% buyer premium. It's non-refundable. Guess what you guys just did? You just put 50% of that in your pocket. This is, go ahead. Somebody said, is this legal? Yes, it is. We've been doing it for 2 decades. Okay, absolutely, definitely legal. You can charge anything you want. There's no limit on real estate fees. This 7%, 7.5%, 10%, 15%, 20%. It doesn't matter. Okay, whatever you want to do, but you got to do everybody the same. You can't treat certain classes of people different. Okay. Any money guarantees that in this agreement will be paid as a reduction in commission, because sometimes we'll do our flexible commission where if it's, you guys know what our flexible commission form looks like. If not, go in down loop and look at it. It talks about like, hey, if you find a buyer, we'll do it for this price. If we double in the deal, we might do it for 5%, that type of deal. We don't ever share that with a seller unless we're getting ready to lose a listing, right? We won't do it.